Riv is one of the strongest, actually I would say most strong sa lahat ng nakilala ko. Very selfless. And I also know how cruel the outside world has been. Just wanna say that I'm proud of you for still showing up, for still putting on that most beautiful smile. Yan, yung smile na yan talaga yung tinitingnan namin lahat housemates kay River kasi never nawala. Kahit sobrang naiiyak na si River, may smile pa rin yan. Kita niyo, umiiyak na siya. Yung smile na yan, wag mo yan aalisin. Because that's what makes River special. Yung heart niya, sobrang mabuti, sobrang ganda, sobrang... Iyak!
Pawis lang, pawis.
I'm so happy that you kept on fighting. Kahit ano man ang nasabi, nagawa, or ano man ang mga nangyari, you went through it. You fought all of those negativity, and here you are, glowing, yung all-star natin, MVP. Ikaw yung MVP namin. And, as in, grabe ka talaga, River. I can't explain how much the world deserves you. Kasi, those people who have met you are the luckiest people ever. Kaya kayo, nakikita niyo si River sa harap niyo, sobrang swerte niyo kasi ako, napaka-question pa rin ako, grabe ang swerte ko, no? Kaibigan ko si River Joseph.
Hindi lang kaibigan. Final two.
And again, I'm also proud of your achievements. Sobra, as in sobra. I'm so happy whenever I see you post yung mga stories mo. Whenever nakikita kita kumakanta, I swear, I watch it all. I watch you do like that's a crowd. You smile so much and I'm so happy the world gets to finally see that in person. I hope to see